How to fix ground shadows issues in Unreal Engine 5. In this project, we can see this shadow is too dark. And next, I will open the post-process volume, and I need to check Unbound. And next, I will open Exposures, and I will choose Menu, and I change this value to 11. And the next one, I will add the skyline. And sometimes we do the project, maybe we forgot to add this one. And yeah, you can see this shadow is changed. If you want to change the shadow again, you can change this value here. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.